Hello friends, here I'll show you a small program to do paint in C++. So here I'll show you a paint program which is basically done in C++. So here is the file, and I'm showing this in order so that if anybody is interested to learn more about C++, it would be useful. And you might be thinking, why this Turbo C++ here? Basically, Turbo, in my opinion, in my understanding, Turbo C++ is the best way editor you can use to learn C++, because you can use graphics, you can use many other things here. So first let us compile it and run it. So in order to compile it and run it, you'll have to give all the header files properly. So here I have, yes, of course there are inbuilt header files. Along with that, I have used user-defined header files. So these are the basically user-defined header files, cursor.h, button.h, etc. And there's one more user-defined header file which I have defined inside the code somewhere in the middle. And now let us see what are the user-defined header files and where I have placed it. The user-defined header files are placed it in the folder CS Paint here, headers. So these are the user-defined header files which I am using it. So in order to run this program properly, you will have to give all the user-defined header files properly. So here let us run it and see. First I compile it, and when I compile it there is no error. Now let me run it, and I run it. So here this is the file, and I can, this is the pencil. See the icon which is in the shape of the pencil, and now this is the pencil tool, and then you have this tool to spread spray paint. So here this is a tool, this is with a larger size and this is with a smaller size. Then you have this line, you can draw line using this, and then this is where you can draw all the polygon shapes connected and all that you can do. Then circle, ellipse, or basically all the tools you see in a paint program. And here this is a ellipse tool, and here if you look, this is where you have a background also, which is, if you want to change the color you can change it. Yes, here this is red, so this is this tool. Then this is the eraser. Then you have this test tool, just Matthew or whatever it is. Yes, oh yeah, or whatever it is, you can just type whatever you want. Now you can increase the size of the font, you can change the font. So here it's a larger. If you want to change the font, you can do that. It's the small font, then this is the sans serif font. You can do all those things, and basically this is all. And then there is a help, and if you took save, you have all these options. Edit, you have cut, copy and clear. Here you can take a new file, open a file, save as. There are problems. So obviously this is a Turbo C++, basically 16-bit which is used in 16-bit device. So there are problems, but basically it's still a working model of all these things. And you have all this rectangle shape and or basically all these features you have in C++. And here there is the fill option which you have here, and it also has few problems. So now if any of you want, now let us see whether we can save as. Oh, it is there. And now, so basically if any of you want this code, if any of you want this code, you can contact it. After you run this, if you find any doubt or something like that, you can ask me. You can send me a email and I will be replying it. So this is basically the code of the C++ program, and the link also is provided.